Hello, my dear WAEC candidate. If you want to prepare properly for your exams, Q&A at QandAHelp.com is the best place to be. Today, we are going to master approximation and percentage error. Here is question 37 from the 2026 exam. A student approximated 1.2476 to two significant figures, instead of two decimal places. We need to find the percentage error from the four options provided. Look closely at these two instructions. The student used two significant figures, but they were instructed to use two decimal places. Many students lose points here before calculating anything. You must carefully separate what the student actually did from what they were instructed to do. Let us find the correct answer the student should have written. We need to approximate 1.2476 to two decimal places. We keep the first two digits after the decimal point, which are 2 and 4. The next digit is 7. Because 7 is 5 or greater, we round the 4 up to a 5. The correct approximation is 1.25. Now, let us look at what the student wrongly wrote. Two significant figures means we count the first two meaningful digits from the very beginning of the number. Those are 1 and 2. The next digit is 4. Since 4 is less than 5, we do not round up. The 2 stays exactly the same. The student's wrong value is 1.20. Confusing the word decimal with significant gave the student 1.20 instead of 1.25. We will use these two exact numbers to find the percentage error. The absolute error is simply the difference between the correct value and the student's wrong value. 1.25 minus 1.20 gives us an error of 0.05. To calculate percentage error, we divide the error by a base number and multiply by 100. Before I show you which number belongs at the bottom, 1.25 or 1.20, we always measure our mistake against what we were supposed to do. The correct value is your foundation. The 1.25 goes right at the bottom. Our formula is 0.05 divided by 1.25 times 100. Sitting in a timed exam and having to divide decimals by decimals without a calculator can feel terrifying, but we can bypass that completely. Instead of dividing first, let's multiply 0.05 by 100 first. That simply moves the decimal point and gives us a solid whole number, 5. Now we are left with 5 divided by 1.25. This calculation is much easier to solve, and it gives us 4. The percentage error is 4%. Doing the multiplication first saves precious time in the exam hall and keeps you from making simple calculation mistakes. Option D is our correct answer. Let's do a quick recap. Step 1. Isolate the correct instruction. 1.2476 to two decimal places is 1.25. Step 2. Find the wrong value. To two significant figures, it is 1.20. Step 3. Calculate the difference to get an error of 0.05. Step 4. Divide the error by the correct value and multiply by 100, which gives 4%. Follow this exact 4-step method every time, and you will easily solve any percentage error variation WAEC throws at you. Quick quiz 1. Approximate 3.486 to two decimal places. We keep the 4 and 8, but the next digit is 6, so we round the 8 up. The answer is 3.49. Quick quiz 2. Approximate that same number, 3.486, to two significant figures. The first two meaningful digits are 3 and 4, and the next digit is 8, so the 4 becomes a 5. The answer is 3.5. Quick quiz 3. If the correct value is 2.50 and the error is 0.10, find the percentage error. It's 0.10 divided by 2.50 multiplied by 100. That gives us exactly 4%. You are doing great. For more WAEC, JAMB, and GCE past question explanations, rush to QandAHelp.com. Keep practicing, and remember to subscribe to this channel for more updates.